Hello and welcome to my presentation on Fiori app for notification processing. The story happens in the utilities sector in a control room of a communication network for smart meters, where a supervisor processes notifications based on her examination. This slide shows how smart meters are connected to data centers and the support center where our story happens. Amy White is our persona supervisor of the support center who manages 6 staff and reports to the operations manager. She deals with internal and external stakeholders, and she is a super user of SAP for multiple purposes. Amy examines notifications raised in the system and decides whether to close them or put them in process, where then triggers service orders. Our Fiori app is designed to enhance Amy's decision in notification processing. Here is the process Amy follows. She checks notifications in IW58 and 52 and deals and checks the equipment record. She checks also for redundant notifications, checks the network on GIS maps and history of the device, also looks at 3G and 4G coverage of the network. And as you can see, she touches a lot of points and goes through a number of transactions, time-consuming tasks, and a higher chance of error and risk. So we would like to improve the accuracy and customer satisfaction by reducing the processing time and reducing the number of transactions she goes through. Now, let's have a look at the application prototype developed using OpenSAP Toolkit. I open the prototype. It is a master detail type application. On the left hand side, it's been extended to show the notification, priority, required end date, and relevant open notification. On the right hand side, it shows the detail of notifications, detail of the equipment, the device, and the warranty end date. It also shows open notifications to double check for potential redundant notifications, GIS map to show devices in the area to check for possible network outages, the history of device installation and decommissioning, 3G and 4G coverage. In here, Amy can attach any document to the notification, and the work center where Amy decides possible root cause of the incident and allocates the notification to responsible work center or team members. Okay. At the end, Amy decides to close the notification or put the notification in process. Now we go back to our presentation, and I would like to show you a demo of the live system in using a web IDE. And we open web IDE. Okay, here is the application on web IDE. On the left, we see notifications in master view with notification number and priority and required end date and possible relevant notifications. I have entered a number of records of notifications. As you can see, there are different notifications. On the right, the details of notifications is shown on the first tab. The second tab shows the device-specific information, including functional location and address, and warranty expiry date and category of the device. Tab number 3 shows the open notifications. As you can see, for example, this one has a similar notification for the same equipment. Therefore, it's a potential redundant information. We need to check it out. If I scroll down, I'll see this 260 notifications, which is the same one. So it is saying that the two notifications are referring to the same equipment. The map to be interface via GIS. On this tab, the history shows the service order on this date has been completed and device has been installed. It's important because some of the devices, for example, this one has no record. It means it hasn't been installed, so there is a false alarm for this incident. Or this one has been installed and decommissioned, so we are receiving false alarms. So the problem should be somewhere else. Network coverage 3G 4G is interfaced in here. Attachments are uploaded using this tab, and also at the end we have the work center where AMI decides whether there is a network problem or it's a manufacturer problem. We need to make sure the device is fixed, or we have a infrastructure problem where the infrastructure management system is not working, or further investigation on the field is required. Therefore, we need to send technicians on site, and we can put the notifications in process, or if not relevant, we can assign it to non-work center and close the notification. Thank you very much, and that's end of my presentation.